Which of the following property is used to apply visual effects to associated elements? A. Alpha. B. Basic image. C. Filter. D. Blur. The correct answer is filter. Which of the following property is used to control column element breaks after an associated element when flowing multicolumn text? A. Column break. B. Column break after. C. Column break before. D. Multicolumn break after. The correct answer is column break after. Which of the following property defines the color of any rules between columns in a multicolumn text flow? A. Column color. B. Column rule color. C. Column rule style. D. Column rule decoration. The correct answer is column rule color. Which of the following property defines the gap between columns in a multicolumn text flow? A. Column rule flow. B. Column gap. C. Column rule. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is column gap. Which of the following property defines the number of columns in a multicolumn text flow? A. Columns. B. Column flow. C. Column number. D. Column count. The correct answer is column count. Which of the following property defines the style of the divider rule between columns in a multicolumn text flow? A. Columns. B. Column flow. C. Column style. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is none of the mentioned. Which of the following property is a shorthand definition of the number of columns and their widths in a multicolumn text flow? A. Column width. B. Column style. C. Columns. D. Filter. The correct answer is columns. Which of the following property defines the resampling method to use when stretching images? A. Interpolation mode. B. Image rendering. C. IME mode. D. Layout grid. The correct answer is image rendering. Which of the following property is used to control column element breaks before the associated element when flowing multicolumn text? A. Multicolumn. B. Column break before. C. Column break. D. Multicolumn break before. The correct answer is column break before.